Was my case really worth more? Stay with me as I share with you this very important information. Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a medical malpractice attorney practicing law here in the state of Maryland, and I would like to talk with you today really quick about a conversation that I had with an individual at a recent party that I was attending. And what ended up taking place in this conversation is this individual was talking to me about their case. They had an injury case that they had just gotten done with and everything, and they had some reservations. They were thinking like, did I really get everything out of my case that I should have gotten? Was my case worth more than I settled it for? And a lot of this doubt had crept up in their mind because they said that they had spoken with another attorney briefly after everything, and based on that conversation they kind of had some doubts about the value of their case. Now, if you are watching this video right now and you're sitting here wondering, well, I talked to somebody else about my case, or I talked to another lawyer about my case, and that lawyer told me that my first lawyer, didn't get me all the money that I could have gotten, and now you're sitting here wondering, well, could you have gotten more money? I want you to kind of think about some things that I'm going to talk about in this video. And the first thing is that the other lawyer that you're talking to, more than likely that lawyer really does not know what went on in your case. That lawyer does not have an opportunity to look at your medical records. That other lawyer does not know what were the conversations between either the defense attorney or the insurance adjuster in your case. That other lawyer has not had an opportunity to sit down and interview you and talk to you about the strengths and weaknesses of your case. In other words, that other lawyer does not have all of the information available to him or her. Now, I want you to think about that. They do not have all of the information available. The attorney that you hired or the attorney that you worked with, that attorney has everything. That attorney had an opportunity to look at the medical records. That attorney had an opportunity to talk with you about the strengths and weaknesses of your case. That attorney had an opportunity to talk with the insurance adjuster or the defense attorney in your case. Remember, that lawyer had an opportunity to do all of those things. So why have I taken the time today to talk with you about this very important concept? Because you may be watching this video right now thinking about filing a medical malpractice case here in Maryland, or you may be thinking about filing an injury case of some sort, and you have talked with another lawyer, you've talked with other people, and you're now kind of wondering, which way should you go? I'm trying to help you understand that until an attorney has an opportunity to look at your medical records and interview you and all of those good things, then it's going to be hard for another attorney to give an opinion as to the value of your case. If you have other questions about this medical malpractice process in Maryland or this injury process, this is what I invite you to do. And remember, it costs you absolutely nothing to take this action. And that is, go ahead and pick up that phone and give me a call. I can be reached at 301-850-4832. Or if you prefer, you want to send me an email first, go ahead and do that. Send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. I answer Maryland medical malpractice questions like yours all the time, and I'll be glad to take some time to listen to your story. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the medical malpractice attorneys here at Boston Law Group, LLC, and we will see you next time. Take care, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day.